Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Ososik, and I am in the Puede Tengen. If you remember, I know it kind of gets confusing because I kind of mix up both of the names with Puede and El Sicario, but technically, the original plan was El Sicario car Civic was the drag car, and the Puede Civic was just more all around kind of. I mean, they're both street cars, but this is kind of like a watered down one. But it's been a long time since you guys have seen this car. It is 90% stock, and I say 90% because I pretty much took everything back off the car except for the Willwood big brake kit and the Saibon hood. Less than 2 weeks is Global Time Attack Finals, which is November 14th, 13th and 14th, or 14th and 15th, something like that. And I got invited. And obviously I cannot take the drag Tengen Civic. So I had all the parts laying in the garage, and I figured might as well put it back on and go have some fun at Global Time Attack. It's gonna be at Button Willow. There's gonna be a lot of good competition there, and I'm mostly going just to have fun and test out some new parts that I wanted to try out, because there's a lot more new production parts from a lot of good companies out there. So just want to see what this can do. But other than that, I still have the PRL downpipe, so it was just collecting dust. So I knocked the dust off, and here we are. And the first stop for the day is at V.C.D Racing, which is Lewis' shop. And for those of you who don't know him, he works on a lot of Tengens in SoCal. So I highly recommend him. He's a great guy, and he's come a long way. He started it from his house, and now he has a shop. So if you need something done for him, your Tengen, I highly recommend him. And because I just have a lot of stuff to get done, I'm personally not going to do the clutch job today, so I'm going to have him do it. I trust him, and I know he can get it done, and it'll work perfectly fine. And for this clutch job, we're actually going to be using an action clutch, so I'm pretty excited to try something new. I know a lot of other guys have used it already, and they like the pedal feel, but we'll see how it holds on the track. So we just got here. I don't know if Lewis is here yet, but I'll give him a call, and well, I'll let him get to work while I get to work.
Just wear some masks when you're there inside.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Why you got to say?
Just be careful, bro.
I didn't bring a mask, so you got a mask?
Yeah, we have a mask. Oh,
What do you need to lift it up for?
We're putting all this on back on your car?
Being like that?
We're putting all that back in your car.
Maybe. For sure, the suspension and clutch. We'll see how long. We'll see how long it takes.
How much for that? How much for your
Huh?
Your wheels?
How much for the wheels? Free. Depends how fast you work. If you work fast enough, you could install everything. If you kind of take your time, then I guess it'll just be clutch and.
What do you have though? Just downpipe?
Yeah.
Well, the intake you could do it. But just take out the bumper.
Yeah, you should have no time to do all that shit.
It'll take you trying to leave.
I'm not trying to do it. I'm trying to leave like in an hour, so.
Fuck you. Hey.
Did you tell him there's a line, or does he got to cut all that?
I get to cut all that.
Wow.
Is it AWE?
Transmission is out of the car already. They've been doing a fantastic job. I've been working, not really. I've been getting distracted by other workers. The only reason why I'm gonna help him with this is because it's clean and I don't have to get my hands dirty. So I guess I can hold this for him. He's gonna go get the bolts. He's gonna put some Loctite on. This is the Action Clutch Ironman with the Stage 5 pressure plate. I heard this is like the first one that's gonna be put on the 10th gen, so I'm pretty excited. And supposedly somebody else. What? Which one do you have?
That same one.
Yeah, same one. So I'm not special. It's okay. I'm still using the OEM flywheel. Am I good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
No, hold it. Still using the OEM flywheel. This clutch should be perfect for the setup. It's not gonna be too much power, so I don't need a twin disc or anything. And with the Action Clutch and just the full face style disc, it should do really good on the road course. So I'm pretty excited to see how all this turns out. Still need a couple more things, but so huge shout out to Lewis. Huge shout out to Action Clutch. If you don't know who they are, be sure to check them out. They have a wide variety of different types of clutches for different cars too. But pretty excited to see the pedal feel difference and gonna see this what this compares to all the other cars. So I'm gonna sit back down. I don't feel like working on the car today. Alright, so the car is finally done. He's doing a little victory lap to make sure everything's all settled in. The coilovers are in, the clutch is in. Action Clutch made a really good clutch. I already drove it around a little bit. The Ironman seems to be working really solid, and it's still the stock flywheel, so that's a big plus. I'm really excited for Global Timing Tech. Next up, we are going to Vegas. I'm not gonna tell you why, I'm not gonna tell you what we're gonna do, but just be sure to subscribe because the next mod is gonna be insane. So, thank you for watching. I'm Nick, also known as Ososik, and remember, life's Ososik. Live it.